Hosting many WordPress sites in Hostinger is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you must have a hosting plan that supports multiple website hosting. I have this second plan which supports 100 website hosting. Now log into your Hostinger H panel. Open the Websites tab. You can see I have a website hosted already, but still, I can see Create a New Website button. Just click on it. You will be asked some questions for personalized experience. I am clicking on the Skip button once again. Then for setting up the domain, select the option as you desire. I am going to use the existing domain. Write your domain name and continue. Now, Hostinger detected that my domain is bought on GoDaddy and I have to change its name servers from there to those given by Hostinger. Now I logged into my GoDaddy account. Select your domain and click on Manage. Then, go to the DNS section and open the Name Servers tab. Click on Change Name Servers. Select Use My Own option. Now just copy the given name servers and paste them into these boxes. Once done, click on the Save button. This process may take 24 hours to complete, but still, you can continue to set up your website. Click on the Continue button on Hostinger. That's it. You can now open your website's control panel. Now you can see we successfully hosting multiple websites here. To install WordPress, go to the Website Control panel. Under the Website option from the sidebar, select Auto Installer. Here you can see WordPress is available. You can simply configure your settings and install WordPress on your website. This is how you can host many WordPress sites on Hostinger.